This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Lonnie Scott. This lovely open floorplan 422 home in friendly neighborhood has beautiful curb appeal. Many features to include elegant formal living and dining rooms, great family room with wbfp, updated kitchen with granite countertops and loads of counter and cabinet space. Spacious main suite has wbfp, separate shower, dual vanity and relaxing tub. Nice sized secondary bdrms and the fourth bedroom could be used as an office. The large utility room has enough space for a freezer. Convenient access to community parks, elementary school, walking trails, major freeways, shopping mall, restaurants, state park and Joe Pool Lake. Great outdoor space to entertain and more. This feels like home. It's a must-see. Seller to paint exterior. For more